Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So hello everyone, we back again on my summary video. So today I'll arrive into a cast 9. Yeah, like usually. In this video, I wanted to talk and discuss about some article. And now in cast 9, the article title is HTC Cooperation. Oh yeah, and also in here there is some goal, my goal, and and the goal is uh, I will become a strategic advisor and for the cooperation, and I should or I must explain how they did it and what their futures like. Yeah. Yeah, so basically, I'm not gonna just tell a story behind the cooperation, but uh, I will explain the data or exhibit too. So let's we get started. Okay, so maybe you are asking, what is HTC corporations? Yes, so basically, STC so basically, STC cooperation or the before is high technology, high technology computer corporations is a is a brand or corporation from Taiwan consumer electronic company that founded in 1997. HTC is known as a pioneer in Android smartphone, and now this company was focused on the VR or virtual reality. Yeah, so HTC is the pioneer of Android smartphone because before HTC was making a smartphone from a big company like Samsung or Apple. Yes, for more detail, I will explain the background first. Okay, so so we're going dive into the amazing journey from STC Corporation. Yeah, this is the story of STC Corporation first. If we looking back, STC was like a hero behind the scene. Why? Well, like I said before, STC is making a just STC is making a product for a big brand like Apple or something lah. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, so LTC was finally decided to take the spotlight. Yeah, they start in 1097 making a PDAS. By 2002, they become an ensemble of ODM. Big brands like Compaq, XP, or even Verizon. And the most historic moment is happened in 2007 under the Cheng Wang as a leader from STC. STC was decided to stop being helper. Yeah, to stop being helper, which is STC one, STC want to stop produce product for a big brand for the other brand, and STC want to start selling their own product and with their own name. And what is the result? Yeah, of course, because the HTC have an experience before, like making every smartphone technology, they also becoming of the top five smartphone, the best smartphone in the world. And HTC was won or getting a title. uh, then the title is Device Manufacturer of the Year in 2011. Okay, so to understand how and why STC is can becoming like this, can be really successful when STC decide to move to make their own product. Yeah, and also we will talk about the data. Wait, I'll open the data first. Okay, so as a strategic advisor, we must we must use the data to make our point is valid. Of course, yeah. Okay, uh, let's we take a look. Let's we take a look on the table 2. Here is a table 2. I will share on the screen because yeah, it's hard to, because my phone or my phone camera is hard to focus. Okay, so in table 2, STC in table 2, in table 2 in 2011, STC was on the top of market, like they get until 9.2% market. But in 2013, the market of STC is dropped. The man of is dropped into 5.8%. And why? They become a risk? Sorry. How the market is can it drop? Like they was actually be a top five brand smartphone, like yeah, because there is a some, yeah, there is a some competitor or enemy, big enemy for HTC company. Yeah, and the brand is Samsung and Apple. It's really hard to fight between these two big or strong brand, because in 2030 Samsung had 27.7% of the market, and Apple had 22 22.6% of the market. And why? What the Samsung do? How they can get a lot of market? Because the strategy or the marketing of Samsung is really loud, or it's really aggressive for the marketing, and really competitive, and their price is really competitive. Yeah, their their fight in price too, like uh like when their marketing is aggressive, they also fight in price. And how about Apple? Yeah, we know Apple has an ecosystem or have a system. It's called iOS. Yeah, which is because of this ecosystem or this system, people who have an iPhone, or the iPhone customer, is very hard to live from the iOS because they feel comfortable with this system. And of course, because of this, is make HTC was squares in the middle of this two biggest brand. Yeah, yeah. When even their market is dropped until 5.8, but their money is explode. Like they first start, like when they first start their own brand. If you see on the table 5, wait, here, yeah, if you see, ah, yeah, I need to cut my video again because my phone is hot and it's make the video get a lagging. So okay, so we arrive in table 5, which is we will compare the net income for STC. Yeah, table 5, STC income statement. So in 2007, income of STC is 29 billion US dollar, but in 2011 NTC was increasing their income. The income was jump until 62 billion US dollar. Yeah, just in 5 years uh, they can double their profit, or even they can or even more, than that. So it was proof that selling your own product is much better, is much profitable than just being a creator and selling your product into the other brand without uh, without name. Yeah. So also this company was so also also STC company was called by the CEO Peter Chow. The CEO was say STC is engineer company. Why? Why they can say like that? Is that real, or he just saying, or it just yeah, or it just saying randomly. So in I will prove that, because if we take a look on the table 6, table 6, this table is employed by position, gender, and classification. Yeah, the table 6 is proof that the CEO is not just a talk, because out of 16,746 employed, the 61%, or 10,000, or 10,020, and 10,000, 61%, or 10,235 is a technical staff or the engineer. There, there, there are even 68 people with PhDs. This this show they focus on development of R&B, or research and development. Yeah, it's just not a selling. Yeah, they just not a selling, but they was research their product and develop their product. Yeah, because they have 91% employee have has a technical staff. Okay, okay. So out of this system, of course, there is some leader, and the leader is Cheng Wang. Cheng Wang is a leader of STC company. Her leadership style is really good. Is really different from the traditional strict Asian leaders. She is she is have a culture, yeah, have a unique culture. It's okay to be fair, and uh, or the engineers are free to question everything, basically everything, and most uniquely in STC, company, like I said before, it's okay to be fail in, yeah, because of this, culture, it boosts the creativity of engineer to make an innovation, to make something new for the customer or for the product, like being brave enough to fall, or to fail is the key to finding a new technology, a new innovation. And that's why, because this culture, the STC cooperation is allowed or becoming the first to launch 3G, 4G, and phone 3G, 4G phone in the world. Yeah, their first time launch that speed internet. Okay, and also every company, the STC corporation have a slogan, and the slogan is quietly brilliant. Following their slogan, the leader or Chengwar is a visionary. Like, who doesn't seek the spotlight for a daily work? She was really focused. She was really focused on long-term strategy, legal issue, and uh, and acquisition, like buying this electric for 30,000 million. She leave the daily office to the CEO. She ensured the STC ships stay on the right path of the future. Okay. So to warp, so as a strategic advisor, of course here there is the key point for STC, and the first is hold into a one strong or one a big number, like STC was remain, or STC was now the king of innovation. Yeah, because with 61% STC employee is a technical staff. We have enough enough brain to create the things that the other company uh, doesn't have it. Don't just follow a trend. We must create an exclusive future. We must create a really good innovation, and like a high for the innovation is like a high definition cameras than the other doesn't have it. and also there's some case, there's some what a decision, yeah, for the entity to make a tablet or still on the phone, like if like uh so I so my advice is STC should, or sorry, STC must choosing making a tablet or go or drive into the tablet market in a big way. If we only stay on the smartphone, we will get tired to fighting the price than the other brand, because the innovation of the smartphone is literally everyone can make everyone can make a same innovation. So, and for the end, yeah, just fighting a price with the other customer, sorry, with the other company. So we should find a new field to show our great design. Like if we're making a tablet, or go to market tablet, we will get a golden chance. We will get a golden chance for this. And and for, if anyone asks, is it risk? Yeah, of course it's risk, but let's we take a look on the table one. Oh, sorry. The table one, worldwide device shipments of segments in a million. The site type PC. There's a PC, ultrasonic mobiles, tablet, mobile phone, in total. Yeah. So, uh, global tablet global tablet shipment here, yeah, are predict to export from 116 becoming a 400 by becoming a 416 in 2011. That is 1038% growth. Yeah, this is the golden opportunity, like I said before. If we find a new field, like we go into the tablet market, let's make some profit for that. Yeah, we can make a golden opportunity for STC Corporation become a leader by making tablets are unique and compare into the iPad or Galaxy Tab and the other brand. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.